I don't just hang any paintings on the wall. Every painting I hang must tell a story. I bought this painting on Lazada to celebrate the founding of my little garden. But when I received the painting, I was so shocked because the seller swatched a 2x1 painting into a 4x3 aspect ratio in order to fit it into one of the standard canvases. I was sad and angry. It was expensive. I scrambled to find a replacement to take my mind off it, but nothing else met my high standard. As days become weeks, my anger subsided. Interestingly, these days, it has become a source of amusement. I laugh every time I see the painting because it reminds me of my desperation and stupidity. So now, in a way, the painting does tell a story, just not the one I originally intended.